What's up, goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel and to my kitchen, how to cook. And today we are making my famous banana custard pie with only 5 ingredients. Now, goodie, if you're new here, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have not, turn on your post notification. And for all I'm returning goodies and I don't know some love and I'm ready for cook, let's cook.
Look what prayer can do. Hypocrite and bad mind must flow. The same mouth would cheer for you, and the same one them would turn round and boo. Yeah, prayer me I use and win. Prayer me I use and win.
Okay, goodies, let's cook. Now we have 7 bananas here. You want to be sure that you have some extra ripe ones and some that is not so ripe, as you'll see why later. Now for the extra ripe ones, I have 4 here. You want to go ahead and peel those 4 extra ripe soft bananas because they're really sweet when they're like this, and you want to put them in a container. And what we're going to do here is crush these bananas. Crush them not all the way up, but you still want to crush them pretty well here. Now, after you've crushed your bananas and it looks pretty much like this is what you're going to do next. I have a classic yellow cake mix here, and I am going to be using only a half of the cake mix to the ripe bananas that I've crushed here. You want to be sure to add a half of the package into the ripe banana mixture. Now what you want to do is combine the crushed ripe bananas with your cake mix and blend evenly. Now after it has come together and it looks pretty much like this, you want to go ahead and put this aside. Now moving along, in another container, you're going to add this banana cream custard, right? So you want to go ahead and put this into the container, and I'm going to use all of this. Now I'm using almond milk here, but you can substitute this almond milk out for any other milk of your choice. And I'm going to add about a cup or a cup and a half of this almond milk. And sift everything together until it starts to become creamy. Be sure that your milk is cold. Now, after the batter starts to become very creamy or custardy, as you might say, you want to go in and add the remainder of your cake mix into the custard mix. And be sure that you're stirring thoroughly. Now, my darlings, if you are still watching me cooking thus far, you must like what you see, right? Just go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you have not, and turn on your post notification. Now, for all my returning goodies, you might not be getting my upload, so you might want to trigger off the bell notification so that way when I upload another video, you definitely won't be missing out on all these goodies. Alright, my darlings, now everything is all set and prim and proper. We're going to set that aside. Moving along, you want to have some fresh strawberries. Now, if you don't have fresh strawberries, you could probably substitute that out for frozen, but I really prefer if you have fresh strawberry for the recipe. Now just go ahead and be sure that your strawberries is washed nice and clean, of course. Give it a nice little rinse under cold running water. You cut off the top portion and then you split your strawberry into 2 equal parts, like I'm doing here. Next, you want to get your ripe bananas, and as you notice, these ripe bananas don't have any spots on it. That is exactly what you want to do with this step, okay? So just be sure that you peel these bananas and cut them into slices, as I'm doing here, or you could cut them in however formation that you like. But just be sure that your bananas is not as ripe as the one that you crushed earlier. All right, so now we have our vanilla wafers here, and we're going to first lay these wafers on the bottom portion of your baking tray. We're going to put this in an oven that is preheated, and we're going to have your oven set to 350 degrees. Now, after you've made your first layer of the wafers, you want to go in and put the mixture. It doesn't matter which one you use first, just go ahead and just be sure that you lay some of that mixture on top of the wafers. Then you put your bananas, and then you add your strawberries. Go back in and add the final layer of the wafers on top. And it doesn't necessarily have to be neat or anything. Just go ahead and just pour the both mixtures in any way, shape, or form that you like on top of those wafers. Then you want to go back finally and add some more bananas on top and add your fresh strawberries as well. All right, my darling, so after you've done that step, all you have to do is sprinkle just a little bit of cinnamon powder on top. Not a lot, just a little bit. Just sprinkle it here and there. Pop it in your oven. Allow it to bake for 30 minutes, y'all, at 350 degrees in heat. And when you're done, this is what you'll have. Nice and hot. However, you want to make sure that you let it sit and chill and wait. After it is cool, like halfway cool, go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of that sweetened condensed milk on that. And it's totally optional, but because we love condensed milk here, we went ahead and add that, but you don't have to put it on yours. It does something to it, okay? All right, and then I let it just cool all the way through. I say 90% because everybody was bursting, just wanting to eat it all up. And it was done. I went ahead and just kind of played it, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. My favorite part when I do this pie is the end part, that corner part, because it's kind of hard and crisp and it's perfect with ice cream. I just love that corner part. Let me know down below, what part of your pies do you like? Do you like the crust or do you like the middle? Tell me what you like, because for me, I like the end part, the corners. It does something. And look at how this pie is. It's nice and custardy in the middle. It's filled with nothing but bananas. It tastes amazing. Simple ingredients that you might already have at home. It is easy to make. It is great for the kids. They're gonna love this, believe me. It's not overly sweet. It's just perfect. The sweetness that you get is from the box of cake mix. and a little bit of sweetener from the custard, but overall it is amazing, y'all. You have to give the recipe a really great try. This is an easy way to have the kids eat bananas and strawberry, right? Yes, goody. Anyway, tell everybody about this good love. Bring them, come and send them, come, I'm waiting. And when you get done doing all of that, tell me what you want to see me cook next in my kitchen. And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen. Enjoy.